This is a 15-minute body scan meditation. The meditation can be done lying down into the floor. Follow the meditation instructions as carefully as you can. When you're ready and lying down into the floor, start to prepare by gently closing down your eyes. Check the palms and make sure that they are face up towards the sky. Take a nice full breath all the way in, and then carefully let go of that breath. Take one more nice full breath all the way in, and then letting go of that breath. Let the breath flow freely in its own natural rhythm. Gently watching the breath come in and out of the nose. Start to bring your awareness to the bottom of your feet. Notice any sensations in the bottom of the feet. And just gently start to direct your own breath towards the bottom of your feet. Breathing in and out from the soles of the feet. Consciously relaxing the soles of the feet. Now bringing your awareness to the tops of your feet. And just gently breathing in and out from the tops of your feet. Noticing any sensations on the tops of your feet. Letting go of that area of the feet. Start to bring your awareness now to the ankles. Allow the ankles to soften. Start to breathe in and out gently from the ankles. Noticing any sensations in the ankles without judging and without labeling them. Just allowing those sensations to be as they are. Now bringing your awareness to the back of your legs. Allowing the back of the legs to soften. Gently breathing in and out from the backs of the legs. Noticing any sensations here. Perhaps a slight tingling. Maybe you find it hard to notice and feel present to this area. Whatever it is that you notice or don't notice, remembering to do this without judging or labeling that sensation. Now moving to the tops of the legs. Again, breathing in and out from this area of the body. Allowing the tops of the legs to soften. Bringing your awareness now to the back of the knees. And to the tops of the knees. And just allowing the knees to soften and relax into the floor. Allow the back of the legs to soften. Again, just noticing any sensations in the back of the legs. Bringing your awareness now to the tops of your thighs. And just noticing whatever it is that you notice here. Allowing the pelvis and the hips to soften. Gently moving your awareness now to the base of your spine. Breathing in and out from the base of your spine. Now moving to the space of the belly. Allow the belly to soften. Gently watching the breath rise and fall in the space of your own belly. Moving your awareness now to the middle part of your back. And just noticing any sensations or lack thereof in this area. Bringing your full awareness to the rib cage and just watching it expand and contract gently with every breath. Moving your awareness now to the top of your back and the shoulders. Relaxing the shoulders. And then moving your awareness now to the heart center. Again, just watching the breath rise and fall nice and gently in this space. Now moving that awareness down your arms, past your elbows, down your forearms, all the way to the center of your palms. allowing the palm of the hands to soften and sink even more deeply into the floor. Relaxing the fingers, and then just sending the breath now all the way out to the tips of your fingers. Gently moving your awareness back to the heart center and just watching the breath rise and fall here. Moving your awareness now to the base of the neck. Allow the back of the neck to lengthen. Just noticing any sensations in the neck area. Softening the crown of the head now. And just noticing any sensations in the forehead, brow, temples, and the backs of the eyes. Allow the back of the eyes to soften. Bringing your awareness now to the left nostril and the right, the left cheek and the right cheek, top lip and the bottom lip. Allow the tongue and the jaw to relax. Just gently breathing in and out with this awareness of the entire face. Allowing all of the muscles in the face now to soften. Gently watching the breath come in and out of the nose. And then moving that awareness now back down towards the heart center. Watching the breath here gently rise and fall in its own time. Just for the next few moments on your own. Starting to emerge now from this state of relaxation by taking a nice full breath all the way in and then letting go of that breath. Gently, you can start to move the hands and the toes. And then when you're ready, you can stretch your arms up and over your head, taking a nice big stretch like you've just woken up from a deep sleep. When you're ready, you may gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking precious time out of your day to cultivate a state of mindfulness and presence, to become calmer, more clear in your own mental state, happier as a person who walks on this earth for your own sake and for the sake of those around you.